Kobiton Session Explorer allows you to ditch the old, time-consuming screenshot after screenshot process when trying to debug your application. Instead, you can use the Kobiton Session Explorer to explore your test sessions in depth and pinpoint exactly where the application starts to fail, and then easily share those points of failure with our deep links or integration with agile planning and development tools such as Jira. Let's dive in and explore how it works. First, a quick look at the UI. Starting with our scope panel here on the left, you will have access to your system metrics, which in our case is CPU, memory, and network information, all for a full access look into exactly what occurred while our application was under test. You will also have access to either element selectors if exploring a manual session, or HTTP headers if exploring a session from an automated test, and these will change as you move across your timeline in accordance with the elements under test. The second panel to the right consists of screenshots that Kobiton has automatically gathered during, in this case, our manual tests. And notice that there is an option to download the specific screenshot in the top right corner of our panel. I would like to emphasize that these features are also available with your automated tests that you run through Kobiton. What you see here in the screenshot panel will also differ based on where you have selected across the timeline, which I'll quickly explain now. Your video timeline at the bottom of the screen visualizes your entire test session across a timeline that you are able to freely explore in order to easily drill down into specific moments during your test session. And this timeline is incredibly easy to navigate, either by dragging and dropping your playhead, and you'll notice here that a quick thumbnail will actually pop up on the timeline right above that playhead, giving you just a quick preview of that piece of your session, or using the play, next, and previous buttons to jump between specific captured actions that Kobiton captured in the background while running your session. We also support mouse wheel navigation for quick and easy movement across your timeline. For teams integrated with agile and planning development tools like Jira, you can easily share and export a specific bug to Jira with the automatic Jira ticket creator. This will create a ticket that will populate in your integrated Jira instance with a specific session linked and attached. If you want to share the specific point of time in your session somewhere else, you can also use the deep link functionality at the bottom right of the screen. This will create a shareable link that will allow you to share the exact moment of the timeline upon which your playhead is currently sitting. Kobiton Session Explorer gives your mobile testing teams a brand new way to explore sessions and debug your applications. We are very excited for your teams to be able to use this unique feature, and we hope to hear what you think. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to watching teams like yours make mobile awesome.